Want to expand from Shopify to Reverb to boost your sales? With LitCommerce, Reverb Shopify integration is easy. You can easily connect Shopify to Reverb and list your products in just a few steps. Let's get into it. To start things off, let's connect your Reverb store to Shopify. First, go to the Shopify App Store, search for the LitCommerce app, and install it. Once installed, you'll be taken to the LitCommerce dashboard, with your Shopify store set as the main store. Next, from the list of supported marketplaces, find Reverb and click Connect under the Reverb logo. After that, enter your Reverb store name, click Connect your account, then let LitCommerce access your store data. Once finished, you have successfully linked Reverb to Shopify and all your Shopify products will be automatically imported to LitCommerce. Now, let's move to step 2. List and import products on Reverb. First case, you haven't sold on Reverb yet and you want to list your Shopify products to Reverb. On the All Products tab, choose the products you want to list on Reverb. Click Select Action, then choose Add to Channel Drafts. Next, select Reverb and click Add as Draft Now. Once done, your products will appear as draft listings in the Reverb tab. Since Reverb may require different information than Shopify, you can click on each product listing to review and edit it before publishing it to Reverb. Here, you can optimize the title and description for Reverb and fill in any required details, such as category, brand model, or shipping information. When everything looks good, click Save and Publish to Reverb. After publishing successfully, your product will appear in the Active tab, or you can find it directly on your Reverb store. Moreover, if you want to edit multiple products at once, you also can use the Quick and Auto List to Channel feature. This allows you to select multiple products and bulk edit listing details such as categories or shipping information, making the listing process much more efficient. For a detailed guide, check out our video on quick listing products in the description below. Besides listing products from Shopify to Reverb, LitCommerce also allows you to import existing Reverb listings into your Shopify store. To do this, go to your Reverb channel on LitCommerce and click Import from Reverb. You'll then see several import options, such as auto-link products, re-import deleted listings, or applying filters to import specific products. For example, you can choose to import products by status and select active and draft listings. After selecting your preferred options, click Begin Import. Wait for a while, and the imported products will appear in your Reverb store on LitCommerce. Next, select the listings you want to add to Shopify. Click Select Action, then choose Create on Shopify. Once complete, go to the All Products tab or directly to your Shopify store to see the successfully imported products with a source from your Reverb store. Now, let's move to case 3. You have the same products on Shopify and Reverb and want to link them together. If you have enabled LitCommerce's auto-link feature, products that are successfully linked will be marked with a blue dot. Otherwise, listings that are not yet linked will show a red icon. To connect an unlinked listing, simply click Link to a product, then click Select besides the product you want to link. Besides listing and importing products, you can also set up Reverb Shopify Sync using LitCommerce. This ensures your store data, like price or inventory, always stays consistent across both platforms. To set up Reverb Shopify Sync, first go to the All Products tab, click Settings, and turn on Automatic Update. This ensures any product changes from Shopify are synced to LitCommerce, so those changes can be pushed to your Reverb store. After that, go to the Reverb Store tab and click Channel Settings in the top right corner to view the syncing options. Here, you can turn on Price Sync to automatically update prices on Reverb based on the price of the linked products on Shopify. You can also apply price rules to increase or decrease listing prices on Reverb using your Shopify data. Similarly, you can also turn on Inventory Sync. This allows LitCommerce to automatically update inventory quantities on Reverb to match your Shopify store. Alternatively, you can set inventory rules to adjust Reverb stock by a percentage of your Shopify stock, or set minimum and maximum stock limits. Now, let's move to the final step. Manage Reverb order flow. Scroll down to the Order section and turn on Import Orders to Main Store. This allows LitCommerce to automatically pull your Reverb orders into your Shopify dashboard, allowing you to manage all your orders in one place, quickly and efficiently. Moreover, you can also enable additional options, such as import orders with unlinked products or keep order number from Reverb, depending on your needs. Once everything is set up, click Save Settings at the bottom of the page to apply your changes. And that's how to integrate Reverb with Shopify using LitCommerce. If you want to expand further, LitCommerce also supports other marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, TikTok Shop, and more. Finally, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more multi-channel selling guides. Thanks for watching and happy selling!